Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 6th. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm still a big believer that this move down is going to be a crescent to this move up and that eventually we will break up and end up looking something like that, probably going up to the $2,200 area, maybe even a lot higher than that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I mean, obviously it's not a crescent to just this move right here. It must be a crescent to the whole trend. And it very easily could end up even continuing down even more by the looks of it. We are at a pretty good liquidity area right here. So if it does go down, break that 100% level and then make a move to the upside, that I could possibly see being the end of an A, a B, and a C correction. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Definitely a little bit of an odd pattern right here because I mean this is definitely a trend and then this is a trend and it looks like kind of like a A B C D E of wave B, almost like a running flat or something. But it still definitely looks like it could be a wave C right here. But at this point I really wouldn't be surprised if it does actually end up going down even more. We do have non-farm payroll news coming out today. That is a very big news event. And depending on whether the dollar really does end its trend or not and make a move to the downside, if the dollar does make a move to the downside, this should start to make a move to the upside. So it really depends what happens on the news today. I mean, some of the pairs do kind of lead me to believe that the dollar could go up more, causing this to go down more. So we're gonna have to see how that turns out. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where we can start to see the structure of this move down. Definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. Now, if this goes up and breaks that wave 4 high, I'm going to say that possibly is the end of a wave C, and that would be the continuation of the uptrend. Now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long until I see a break of structure and it holds above structure, because just as easy as that could happen, I also could picture this just going down, making another lower high, and just keep on trending down. Even though it does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, it really doesn't necessarily have to end right now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have non-farm payroll today. I was thinking that initially the dollar would make a move to the upside, which may make this make a move to the downside. But I think there's a chance it could end up being a spike reversal and that it could go up and take out this structure. If it does take out that structure, then that will definitely turn me into a buyer probably over the coming weeks. If it doesn't take out that structure and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, then I will definitely just continue to go short every chance I get on these shorter time frames at the end of ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.